Wow, look at this one. Look at this one. Hey, I think we can go with this one. Can we go with this one? Let's go with SUI. Let's check whether we can go with it. Let's check. Did it buy? Looks like we bought it. But it looks like it's going up. It looks like it's going up. But will it go down? I don't know. We have to create the new level for it. So I'm just gonna just look at this and just go and just see. SUI. SUI was bought in SUI. Oh my god, I have to calculate. Oh, what is this? 25.93 8.08. 25.93 8.08. 25.93 plus 8.08. All right, plus let's go see. We have to be sure of what we are buying. We cannot make a mistake. 25.93 8.08. Okay, 8.08 7.74. 8.08 8.08 73.74. What am I doing? Okay, 7.7. I was wondering what am I doing. Okay, 49.83 is at 49.83 is at 49.83. All right, let me just screenshot that because we don't want to make a mistake. All right, okay, so that was 49.83. Let's get back in there and let's go see. Has it gone up a bit? Looks like it is. Looks like it's going. It looks like it's going. All right, let's go to convert as always, people. Let's go to convert. Okay, put in the SUI and then we put in USDT. All right, put in the max. Okay, and then we change that to 9.5 and let's see. Okay, that's not enough. 9.9. Let's make it 7, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. 51.15, just enough for us. Just enough for us, guys. Yes. So as you can see, it's going up, people. It's going up. It's going up, people. This looks like it's gonna execute shortly. It looks very close to executing as I speak. Let's just keep an eye on it. It's a 6868. It should go up. Yeah. Because this is currently at 66. It's pushing through. Let's wait and see. All right. Okay. SUI also got executed. And it looks like it's really shooting up high. Something in that range. Yeah. Oh no, it's going down too. All the coins are going down again because Bitcoin is going down again. Can you just imagine what kind of follow is this now? Is it magnetic? Is it magnetic pull? Right? Is it magnetic pull on all coins? And like, I actually took time to be checking and I'm seeing that it's almost the same structure, right? With Bitcoin. I'm like, what? Is it that it tied a rope to all of these coins and they're all going the same direction? Oh my god. Anyways, SUI got executed. We thank God we're out of it. Let's go and see. I think it was 49.83. Yes, I remember because I calculated it. 49.83 that we bought. All those little fragments came to $49.83. Yeah. So let's see how much we were able to get. Okay, that was also another one that was above 2%. We got $51. In fact, this one I think I probably made it more. $51.15. Okay, so we're gonna go calculate it. So you'll see it, right? $51.15. Wow, do you see it now? $51.15 minus 49.83 is a whole lot. $1.32. Yeah, so now I understand. You can see even the others, it could have actually executed that GRT. I'm going to show you what happened. It could have executed, but my Profit percentage was slightly higher than that. It almost hit it. I'm telling you. In fact, it breasted the tape. It was like almost at the tip, but it didn't get there. I hate it when that happens. I mean, let it even be clear that it didn't even go there close. But why is it that it's just at the tip? I was like, wow, if I had just gone down a bit, wow, I would have gotten it hit. But anyways, we made $1.32 on SUI. All right. And let's check out the profit potential or profit percentage. That is 49.83. We're trying to get $1.32, right? So that is times, let's see, 2.7 or 2, I don't know, 2.7. Okay, well, that's 2.65. Yeah, 2.65 is what we got, guys. 2.65 for SUI. I should have been a little lower than that. But anyways, we were able to breast the tape and we're able to get out of the trade. SUI, we made $1.32. Okay.